at railway crossing of Wireless Gate, and you can see the barriers have just went up. So we are crossing the railway line here. The situation here of the road is not very good. Someone from the authorities should take notice of it. As you can see, the road is very much damaged and it needs immediate attention. Someone from the authorities should take immediate action, because this can seriously damage public and private properties. This is the request to anyone who can come up and take action.